Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and today I've got a beautiful Tesla Model Y that just got done going through our customization center. Let's go through those upgrades now. First of all, we have wrapped this with Cheetah Gloss Chalk Gray vinyl wrap. This is a premium cast wrap, and Cheetah is a new brand that we're carrying. We still carry all the other brands of film and PPF, but this customer wanted Cheetah Gloss Chalk Gray. So we put it on here and it laid up nice. It looks good, looks like a paint job to me. Nice job by our installers. I think this customer is gonna love it. A few more touches this customer also added. We've got carbon fiber mirror caps, just a nice little touch up here to give that sporty look. And then of course the wheels, beautiful 21-inch set of TS5 wheels in satin black has stepped up the sportiness of this Model Y. I think this thing looks awesome. Model Y, always one of my favorites. Love to redo these and refresh these. Tell me what you think in the comments below. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more custom Model Ys coming your way.